How to make Jamaican style Tun-Cornmeal with coconut milk. In this video, I serve some with some tin mackerel. I love me some Jamaican style Tun-Cornmeal, especially with coconut milk. How do you like yours? So for my aromatics, I used garlic, onions, scallion, thyme, allspice, known in our country as pimento seed, which I grinded or I mashed this up, added a little bit of coconut oil to my pot to saute my aromatics. Then I added in some natural coconut milk made, not the one in the store. Now I totally forget to video the part when I was adding in my cornmeal. I seasoned with black pepper, little garlic powder, little salt, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Season your pot how you prefer, whatever you like. That was what I chose to use in mine. I see some people adding sugar to theirs. I don't add sugar to mine. The coconut milk does enhance the flavor and the taste. Additionally, I added a little butter in it because I did not use a lot of coconut oil, just a little pinch. I would say maybe quarter teaspoon. Added some parsley because that is my business. Once you add your cornmeal in the pot, you want a consistency that is much thicker than porridge. So you're gonna have more water than cornmeal. If you check my YouTube page out, I have a cornmeal video with the instructions, the measurements. Once you add your cornmeal in, you're going to want to make sure that you're stirring this so that everything is distributed evenly in the pot as if you were making porridge. You don't want some portion of this cooked and then another portion not cooked. I allow this to steam on low heat for 30 minutes to cook the cornmeal because yes, the cornmeal takes a while to cook. If you feel the consistency is too thick, then you can add more coconut milk or water. You're not making porridge, so you want a thicker consistency, so you're gonna have much more liquid than cornmeal. Once my cornmeal was ready, this is what the consistency looks like, or what I was looking for. I serve this up with some shakeout tin mackerel, as we call it in Jamaica. This was delicious, nice. Feel free to garnish this with some butter if you want additional, because as Jamaicans, a lot of us, we love the grease. I didn't want any more. The coconut milk already has grease in it, and I added just a little unsalted butter for additional taste and flavor in this. Onions help to enhance the flavor and taste of this too. Added my tin mackerel, and there you go. Dinner was served quick and ready. And yes, I am a Tun-Cornmeal girl. I love me some Tun-Cornmeal, especially with fish cooked in some coconut milk. Bye. Thank you for watching. Welcome to my new supporters. Thank you for watching, sharing, liking. Bye. Do you prefer your cornmeal with coconut milk or without coconut milk. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for your support. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Thank you for supporting. Bye.